Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a power seat, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, front fog lights, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.